Hi my amazing people, and how are you doing? Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Miriam. If you're new here, karibu sana, feel welcome. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for always coming back. Thank you for always choosing to support my content. So welcome to another vlog. We are still settling in our new home. Yes, you guys, are still settling. So here's here and there updates. Like I told you guys, we moved in, but we are not 100% done with the house. So currently we're installing a tank. I'll put some clips there. You'll see the tank is being installed because of we need water, you know, and it's approaching the rainy season, so it's easier to harvest the water because imagine expensive, and the tap water now it's not reliable at all. And now with 2 kids, we need water because huku nguo ni kama zinauzwa. There are so many clothes now with 2 kids because yeah, you understand. So yes, you guys, so stay tuned, watch this video till the end. There's so much we are going to be doing. We will still even go for a 2 weeks checkup with baby. So yeah, it's going to be quite an interesting video, so stay tuned and watch till the end. If you haven't subscribed, kindly subscribe, like this video, share, leave a comment. I've changed. Anywho guys, so yeah, let's go see what's happening outside, you know, with the tank installation and all that.
Woke up to a brand new morning light. City breathing, everything feels right. Footsteps moving to a different sound. Every street feels like I'm homeward bound. Windows down, let the breeze roll in. Every mile feels like we begin again. We're chasing golden skies, running where the wild wind flies. No map, no compromise, just living in the moment's rise. Oh, we're alive under open endless skies. Coffee cups and quiet sunrise views, laughing like we've got nothing to lose. Every frame a story to be told, turning simple days into gold. Hearts wide open, no disguise, just dreams reflected in our eyes. We're chasing golden skies, running where the wild wind flies. No map, no compromise, just living in the moment's rise. Oh, we're alive under open endless skies. Let the rhythm take us higher. Feel the spark ignite the fire. We're chasing golden skies every sunset.
So guys, my new fridge is here. So I want us to open together. As you can see, it's a double door fridge. So I want us to open together. and see what it has to offer inside. Hapa iko na water dispenser.
Nakaa vizuri.
So this is the refrigerator side and this is the freezing side. Right?
So hizo ni glass
Yes. So we're supposed to remove these things.
Kutolea nini hizo hapo?
For making popsicles. I've always wanted such things. Now my children will enjoy healthy popsicles. Oh, yeah. Naya, don't climb. Naya. Naya. Take. These are for making popsicles.
Ooh. Nice. So hapo unaweka nini? Una blend juice?
Yes.
Avocado, pineapple,
Whatever you want. You put it inside. Then you put the castic.
So for the kids it will be fun.
Yeah.
Utakuwa na hiki kama nini? Ice cream.
Yeah. So I can't wait to make that.
Unaweka hapo.
Now move along. I also see like there's something.
The dispenser. There's a dispenser.
Yeah. There's also something here.
Some books.
Ice. Naya.
Nataka kujifungia ndani. Haya, kwa heri.
Bye bye for ice. Yeah.
Ice cubes.
Yeah.
Haya.
These are the
Ya kufunika.
The ice cream.
A big book.
And a manual. Yeah. So, and guys, that is my double door fridge.
Energy saving. Delista. Thanks to Cynics.
Frost and non-frost. This one is?
It's a non-frost.
So
utakuta kimawe hapo. Utakuta mawe.
Okay guys, so I'll see you on my next errand. Yeah, so keep it here, keep watching. See you on my next one.
Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way. Birds chirping and I hear my name, grasping into life. Life is happy but it's so insane. We must merely make a start. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk. Savannah. morning come. The birds have just begun. We will always take.
Hey guys, so we are back home from the hospital. We got our meds, and now we hope and pray that our babies are going to be okay, because it's stressful. Having a house with 2 sick babies, it's a lot. Anyway, we have some shopping here. I want to do a quick haul with you guys, so let's do this. We have some tissue. I have opened it already because we were running out of tissue. We have run out actually. We have bread. It's deformed. We have some cream cake. We have some probiotic yogurt. A hand wash. We have some washing powder in packet. We have some Fanta baby soap and sunlight. That's bag done. We have a carton over here, so let's see what we got over here. And on to the next. We have a carton here. So we have some serviettes. We have some Indomie. Here, Indomie. We have some toothpick. I was completely out of toothpicks. Then we have salt. We have a kg of sugar. The salt is a kg still. We have some spaghetti. Here. Okay, moving on. We have some strawberry yogurt. Yeah, this is strawberry, right? And it's probiotic. Yep. It's Bogari. We also have vanilla flavor. And guys, don't come for me. I have a new fridge. I think I need things to store in the fridge. Sasa kuniambia unaweka tu. I know you guys. We have some maize flour. Wheat flour. Vitamix for baby girl. We have maziwa mala. Then we have soda. This is Fanta orange. We also have Fanta blackcurrant. We have Vaseline for men, for my man, my husband. I think you guys have forgotten he's legally my husband. And last but not least, we have some sausages. Yeah. So I have things to store in the fridge. Hi guys. So it's the following day. Jana what did we do yesterday? We unpacked the shopping, we did a small haul. In the morning we had taken my kids, I can't believe I'm saying kids in the plural, to the hospital because they are coughing all over. But yeah, so I want to clean up my new fridge. Yeah, I want to clean up the fridge so that I can put my 2 sodas in there. No, sini judge, don't judge me. Yeah, bado sijafanya fridge restock and fridge reorganization. And guys, tell me down there, what do you guys put in the fridge? Cause Mimi, I only have drinks. Yo, so I want to clean it.
Time for me to face the facts. The best me is with you, but I know I got a lot to prove. They think we're too damaged to fix, but we're just working through a little rust. They like to say we're just young, but I know we won't give this up. Sometimes I lose my mind, and some days it's hard to find the reason why you stay by my side. You and I break our hearts open in half just to see if we'll put them back. No matter what they try, I'll stay by your side. It's you and I. It's you and I. We go back and forth every time, waiting for one of us to cross the line. You got me and I got you, and we got a lot to prove. They think we're too damaged to fix, but we're just working through a little rust. They like to say we're just young, but I know we won't give this up. Sometimes I lose my mind, and some days it's hard to find the reason why you stay by my side. You and I break our hearts open in half just to see if we'll put them back. No matter what they try, I'll stay by your side. It's you and I. It's you and I. It's you and I. Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me move.
guys, so I am back home. Yeah, we went to the clinic, everything was okay. So I am back home, and this will be the end of this video. I hope if you've enjoyed such videos, kindly comment, and I'll be sure to give you weekly videos. So yeah, I have more stuff to put in my fridge. That's why I'm beside my new fridge. So yeah, let's put them together, and I'll see you on my next video. If you haven't subscribed, kindly subscribe, like, share, and leave a comment. I'll see you on my next one. Bye bye. So I have some cereals here. This is what I'll be putting in the fridge. We have the jahe, black beans. We have the dengo. Don't know.